Are you ready to nail party?
I will be using my Competitive Edge Custom Original Double Thick Extra Long Nail Forms, my Extra Adhesion Nail Liquid, my Prisma Deep Well Ceramic Dappen Dish, my Happily Ever After Prisma from my Modern Fairy Tale collection, my Glass Slipper No Wipe High Gloss Top Gel, my medium flat Klinsky Red Sable brush, and my towelettes. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. And I will be using my Crystal Decanter Spray, available in peach or gardenia. Sanitize your hands first, then your client's hands. The nail has already been prepared and I applied my first coat of primer. This dries out the oils in the nail and kills the germs on the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer, so my primer is wet when I apply my acrylic. This promotes adhesion. I always keep my primer in a primer holder with a little towelette so I can dab off my brush. I don't want to oversaturate the nail. This little bottle will prime 1,000 nails, so you use it sparingly. I wipe off my brush before I place it back into my bottle so I don't have any contamination. I will be showing you how to get the look that I have on my nails. This is a tapered square, and I will be going to a 7 on the nail form. This is going to be a long nail, so I will be using more liquid and more powder to make large balls. Dip my brush in, just wipe off a little bit of liquid. Drag in my powder, pick up a large ball, place this ball out towards the end of the free edge, let it flow, pat it out, bring up the sides, gonna stroke it out, thin the tip out just a little. There we go. Taper it in a little. Get it just how you like it. I'm going to squeeze my form a little bit to give me a little bit more taper. Clean up that tip. Dip your brush in. This is going to be another large ball. Dip your brush in, wipe it away, drag towards you. Place this ball at the end of the free edge. Let it flow. Pat it out. You're going to stroke it out to blend it in with the first ball. And stroke it out. So much fun. I'm really enjoying these nails. It's a great color. It's easy to wear. Now I'm going to apply my nail bed ball. Dip my brush in. This is going to be a smaller ball, so use less liquid. I'm going to tap this down so you can see exactly how much powder I use. Less liquid. And drag just a little bit of my powder to pick up a medium ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed. Let it flow. And stroke it out. Side. Side. Center. Now my next ball is going to be a cuticle ball. This is a small ball. Dip your brush in, wipe off more liquid, and pick up a very small ball. Place this ball 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle. Let it flow. We're going to stroke it out. Side. Side. Center. Around the edge there. Now I'm going to place my stress ball. I'm going to look at my nail. I need a little stress ball right in here. This is going to be a medium ball. Dip your brush in. Wipe off a little bit more liquid. Pick up a medium-sized ball. Place this ball slightly overlapping the nail bed. Let it flow. And stroke it out. Side. Side. Center. Wipe off your brush. The nail is starting to dry and it's not shiny. This is the time I start squeezing the C-curve. Start at the nail bed. Work your way out. This makes the nail really strong and slender. Work all the way from the nail bed all the way out to the tip. I will be using my disposable 180 grit long-lasting zebra file and my disposable clean finish buffer. And this buffer is made out of special material. It doesn't leave any grit on the nail. You can use it wet, you can use it dry, and you can use it with oil. Super easy to use these disposable files. You just peel off the back, hold the plastic board, and stick it on. And they stick on really good. There you go. Now I'm going to score the edge of my zebra with my etcher, so when I file around the cuticle area, it's nice and smooth. Then I just peel off my etcher and throw it away. Now I'm going to remove the form. I like to pinch it together first, then release it, and just peel it off. Now I'm going to file my nail in 5 steps. My first step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the left. Hold the finger in the nail securely. File straight out from the nail groove. My second step in filing is straight out from the nail groove on the right. Again, hold the finger in the nail securely. File straight out. This is a square nail, so I hold my file straight up and down, hold the nail securely, go back and forth. You have the perfect square. Step number 4, file the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, like in a horseshoe pattern. You don't want to file flat because you want your nail to have a nice curve to it. Now there's a little road. You have product, natural nail, cuticle. I'm going to place my file in that little road and get the product flush with the natural nail. Nice long strokes. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. So you want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Make sure hold the finger secure. Bevel down towards the tip. Down on the sides. Down towards the tip. When I'm finished with my 5 steps in filing, I like to go back and just detail my nails. So I look at the nail, and I like to, especially with the tapered square, I like to get my file and just come straight out from the nail groove to the end of the free edge, just to make sure it's nice and straight and tapered. And I do that on both sides. Just a little detailing. There we go. And just check everything. Yep, good. Now I'm going to buff my nail with my clean finish buffer. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get the cuticle nice and smooth. Hold the finger securely. And buff out towards the tip. Get it nice and smooth. Take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with Peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Glass Slipper, my no wipe high gloss top gel. Nice long strokes, cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Now you have your happily ever after long beige acrylic nail. That is so pretty. I love this color. When you're all finished, it's so easy to clean up. Just peel off your file strips. They have really good adhesion. Disinfect your boards. Fold up your disposable towel and throw it away.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.